Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to convert date to a text in Salesforce. So let's proceed and understanding how we can convert date to a text in Salesforce. So if you want to convert the date field to a text data type, for this we have to use different formulas and the syntax of both formulas are given on your screen. So first one is either we can use both text and date function together to convert the date text format. For this, we fetch the date by using date function and we pass this date to a text function to convert into the text one. Or the second formula is that you can directly pass out the date field to a text function. You can see that you can directly pass out the date field to a text function. So you will get the text format date. Now let's proceed and learn this concept deeply with the help of an example. So for this we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, so firstly switch to the Lightning and then proceed and learn how to convert date to a text in Salesforce Lightning. So we firstly click on the gear icon and click on the setup option to redirecting the setup home page. And our setup home page is open and here we can see there is an object manager tab present on the navbar. Click on this object manager tab and it will redirect us to the object manager page where lots of objects are present. Here we are selecting one of the object that will show you the example related to convert date to a text in Salesforce Lightning. So here I select the account object. So click on the account object and then click on the fields and relationship for creating the field and then click on the new button for creating a new field and here we are selecting the field type and here we are selecting the formula field type that is read only field that drives its value from a formula expression you define. The formula field is updated when any of the source fields change. After selecting the formula, click on the next button and then we move to our next step. Here enter the formula. So here choose the output type, enter the field label and here we are entering the field label as a SLA date SLA text. So enter the date SLA text. After entering the field label, the field name is automatically pre-populated and then scroll down. Here is a formula return type. The formula gives the return type in the form of the text because we convert date into the text field. So that's why we click on the text checkbox and then click on the next button and we move to our next step. Here we enter the formula that converts date to a text. So in the left side there is a function section. Select the text category here. So here I select the text category and then scroll down. From here, I use the date function and then select the text. Click on this text and click on the insert selected function and our text function is comes into the formula field and then insert the value. Here, when you selecting the text, there will show convert a value to text using the standard display format. After selecting the text function, then you enter the formula that converts date to a text. So here I told you there is a two-way to convert the date to a text. In this example I use in which I use the both date and text function. So here I already assemble the text function and then I use the date function. So for this I select the date category, date and time category, and then select the date function. Here is the date function. Click on this and click on the insert selected function. And here you can see date function contain year, month and day. Creates a date from a year, month and a day. If you don't enter any of the function, any of the field, any of the argument inside the date function, you show an error. So firstly enter the year, and here firstly pass the year function here and click on the insert selected, and inside the date, in the place of a date, insert the field, and here I am inserting the field as a SLA expiration date. Click on the insert and our field is inserted, and then select the month, and from here I select the month, and then click on the insert selected function and again insert the field in the place of the date, and here I again select the SLA expiration date, and then click on the insert and then select the day. From here I again select the day. Here is the day. Click on the insert selected function and then place the field in place of the date argument, and here I again place the SLA expiration date and click on the insert. Then check the function by clicking on the check syntax button, and here we go. There is a no syntax error in the merge fielder function. If we cannot put any of the argument inside this year function, error is occur. Then we can also fill the description and the help text if we want, otherwise leave it as it is. And this function show, I use the text function. In the text function I pass the date function, and in a date function I pass the custom fields, you can see. So basically this date function fetch the date of the SLA expiration field. Then we pass it to the text, convert this date to the text one. So you can see our formula is generated, our syntax is correct, and we can also handle the blank field if we want. Otherwise, click on the next button. Now it will move to our next step, that is establish the field level security. Here basically select the profiles to which we grant the edit access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. But we want to visible to the all profiles, so click on the visible checkbox and then click on the next button. And it will move to our next step, that is add to the page layouts. Select the page layout that should include these fields. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. Here the lots of page layouts are present, and we can add all the fields to the page layouts, and we click all on the all checkbox and then click on the save button. And here we go, our field is created successfully, that is a date SLA text. Check where is our field present, and here is the field date SLA text. Now check whether it is work or not. So click on the app launcher and then enter the accounts. In the search box select the accounts, and it will redirect us to the accounts record page. And here from the account record page select any of the record, and it will redirect us to the detail page. And here you can see there is a and it will redirect us to the all accounts page, and from here select any of the record. So here I clicking on this record and it will redirect us to the detail page. Now see where is the SLA expiration date. Here is the SLA expiration date. I will change this date to this and then click on the save button, and here you can see the SLA expiration date is 14/6/2024, that is a 14 June. And then I check our date SLA text. Where is the date SLA text field that we are created? This is our date SLA text field that you can see. This is a 14/6/2024. This is a 14/6/2024 but is in the form of text, and our SLA expiration date is in the form of date. So with this we have learned how to convert date to a text in a Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.